Hello everyone! Okay, so we finally released Lampire version 1.5 and we're excited to tell you about the new and updated features. We've already downloaded it from lampire.io website and installed it. Now let's open it and see what's new there. The first thing that we see is the new welcome screen. To start working with Lampire is to create an investigation, which is similar to creating a document where you're gonna be working. Lampire version 1.5 has options. Now you can choose how to start. The old way, in standard mode, beginning with the usual list of requests, or if say you're in a hurry or just don't want to be bothered much and want to run a quick check, you can enjoy the simplified mode and begin with the Lamparize window, which has just a single input line. You just choose the type of the ID you want to work with in the combo box here, type in your ID and click Run. As simple as that. And it saves you a lot of time. The system automatically launches all requests which work with your ID type as input parameter. Very quickly and very handy, isn't it? The ordinary list of requests window is still available in the Windows main menu in case you need it, as well as this new welcome screen and the Lamparize one, if you decide to start all over again. I bet you already noticed that so far you haven't been prompted to save your investigation. This annoying thing in our previous versions when you really had to start working but were forced to come up with some name and some path for the investigation first. This is over. We got rid of that, so now you can first do your work and get some answers and then, at any time, save everything. Or not. This feature also saves you time and worry. The next improvement in the list of requests and Lamparize windows has probably already caught your eye. Now you actually see the amount of photons you're going to spend for each request that you launch. Helps to save your photons and keeps you from launching unnecessary requests, and in the end, improves your work and your outcome because you focus only on relevant stuff. In terms of new features, let's go back to the list of requests window. As you see, we've got a variety of these requests there already, and we're of course working on more. But the point is that you never use them all. Most likely, you just pick some which cover your common tasks. So for you, we introduced the favorite folder, even folders. You can create them, any number you need, by clicking this icon, then edit them, and so on. To add requests, you tick what you need, then right-click any of them, and choose where to add. Customize your list of requests for more efficient work. So we've set the request launching part. Now let's turn to the results that we get and open the requests window. Probably the most useful improvement in this update is the filtering tool of this requests window. Lampire lets you execute as many requests in the same investigation as you want, but then it's really difficult to navigate. Plus, some requests get you 0 results, but they're still stuck to the results list, distracting you, annoying you. Good news! Now, for example, you can filter this out. Just select all your results, like this, then click this filter button, choose whatever you want to be filtered in, and continue work. Or, for example, you can filter in only the error or empty or cancelled results, or any other irrelevant to you results. Then select them and delete them via right-click pop-up menu. Delete keyboard button also works here. Voila! So it's up to you how to use this feature. Input parameters and executed requests. Now you can view statistics. Right-click any of the results and choose Statistics. You will see the list of all input parameters that you have in this investigation and the number of times you use them. And if we switch to the list of requests window, and click this button in the top right corner, along with the cost, we'll see the number of times you launch these requests in this investigation. Sometimes this information may be quite useful. Moving on to the schema window. So imagine you visualized your request results as a graph, and you need to enrich some data. You can do it via the list of requests window by activating the Add to Active tab button, and you may right-click the object of your interest, right on the graph, and choose a macro, request, to launch. Previously, you could only launch one request per click. Now you can launch all of them all together, or choose just a few. So this update was mostly about the usability of Lampire, with a lot of ways to make your work easier. We hope you find it useful. Lamparize this!